So it's our second day to Germany, and we decided to go to Aqualand. So this is a water park located in Cologne, Germany. It's about an hour, I think, an hour 30 minutes drive, or 2 hours from Aachen. And so here are the kids enjoying. This is a great place for if the kids like to go swimming and going on a slides. So here are the kids enjoying after lunchtime. I don't know what they're playing, but yeah. So it was a great day. We stayed here overall 7 hours because there are kids refused to go home kasi sobrang nag-enjoy talaga sila. Oh, ayan. In fairness kay Marian, he's very good to Adrian. Adrian is the cousin. He's 7 years old siya. So ayan, di siya kabamulangoy. So assist ni Marian and also ni Joseph, ang kuya ni Adrian. So yeah, the kids really enjoyed it, and the favorite bit ni Marian is yung slides. And here, this one is sauna siya. So we spent a bit there. Nagkigda mi sa sauna or sa stone baga. So the stones are hot. So it's good for the back, and I'm surprised kay ni try said si Michael. Murag gid siya kay murag siya mature or adult nga ni join sa sauna. But yeah, it's a good fun. Unfortunately, very busy lang yung place kasi sobrang daming tao talaga. But it's a big place, very massive place actually. So we tried the slides, or I tried the slides, plenty of slides. Pinaka-dako nga slides nga try nako is the Aquaconda. And oh my god, it was really a long winding slides. And I had to close my eyes kay malipong ko, kay ngit-ngit siya baya sa inside, and then tuyok-tuyok. So this is the one, you have to climb up there, and then dito ka manukad, and you have to get inside that ring. Muna sa kani mo paingon sa silong ay sa ubos. So nakatawa ko kay ibong ko na ni stop man. Nana ko sa ubos di ay naabot na di ay ko sa kong destinasyon.